Suppliers Samvad, developing solutions for effective supply chain. Our journey towards digitization, transparency, and ease of doing business.
We are committed to make in India an easy place to do business. We want to present to the world the enormous opportunities that India offers as a base of manufacturing design, research and development.
Public procurement in Indian Railways accounts for a significant level of public funds. Railway supply chain supports the entire set of activities of production, acquisition, periodic overhaul and maintenance of large variety of assets. The supply chain profile involves annual procurement of goods and services of more than 50,000 crore rupees. More than 95% of this procurement is from indigenous sources. Transparency is an important tenet of the government, and mission is to ensure 100% transparency in all its operations. Industry is an important stakeholder for our supply chain in achieving our objectives. Therefore, ease of doing business and removing entry barriers is an important focus area. Indian Railways has continuously taken initiatives in the past 4 years to improve and reform policies, processes and systems related to its supply chain, ensuring efficiency, economy, fair and equitable treatment to all stakeholders, competitiveness and desired quality with transparency.
I have often emphasized that technology must be used to transform governance. Use of technology should minimize physical interface and assist time-bound decision-making.
It has recognized the potential of ICT in achieving these objectives. Digitization of supply chain, which began with e-tendering and e-auction, has now been transformed into a single window access for vendors for all supply chain related activities. Railway has been trendsetters among ministries in implementing the digital supply chain. Indian Railways has been continuously expanding the areas and activities under digital supply chain. More than 4 lakh supply tenders valuing more than 50,000 crore rupees are issued through this portal during the last 1 year, which makes it the largest G2B portal in India. System is highly secure using PKI infrastructure. It is compliant to IT Act 2000. Time synchronization is done with National Physical Laboratory. During the last 4 years, number of vendors registered on IREPS website has increased from 18,500 to 80,000. In October 2017, CVC has organized and awarded the system under Vigilance Excellence Awards 2017 for outstanding contribution in the category of IT initiatives for transparency in the organization. There have been major achievements in digital supply chain during the last 4 years. In August 2017, new design IREPS has been launched with new and improved functionalities to make the system more user-friendly and transparent. It gives time and effort flexibility to vendor in bid submission. Bid opening is made simple and fast, leading to early availability of tabulation statements to the vendors. Railways has gone for e-tender decision system, including e-tender committees in all its supply tenders. This ensures faster tender finalization, enhanced accountability and e-letter of acceptance. Digital contracting in supply contracts has made it possible to issue and make digital contracts instantly accessible to vendors online in their IREPS login account. Digital contracts are made accessible to vendor bill payment system. Implementation of 100% digital online payments for depositing the different bid-related fees in all its tenders has reduced transaction costs. Since 1st April 2017, more than 150,000 online payment transactions valuing more than 1,500 crores have been made. Process of material receipt accountal and submission of bill for payment for stock items are also digitized. Today, we are launching Digital Online Receipted Challan for material receipt, receipt notes for accepted material and suppliers' bill for payment for material received in stores' depots. These documents shall be digitally signed and accessible online to stakeholders in real time. This shall enable entire billing and payment system become an integral part of core IT application of supply chain. This shall also enable expeditious settlement of supply bills and introduce cent-per-cent accountability. 100% digital online payments of sale value against e-auction has also been implemented. The process of generation of GST invoice and delivery order for delivery of scrap sold is also digitized. With this, complete process of sale of scrap has been digitized. Till now, more than 1,200 crore rupees of sale value has been collected online since its implementation in July 2017. From next year onwards, entire sale value of approximately 3,000 crore rupees per annum shall be online. Status of vendors' bill for payment are being shown online to respective vendors in their IREPS login account. Vendors are immensely benefiting from this facility. Information regarding all the tenders is also provided in public domain. Details of all supply contracts finalized by railways and details of all vendors approved by RDSO and production units are provided on IREPS website in public domain. Indian Railways has taken many policy initiatives in the recent times to promote ease of doing business and transparency. Tender cost is removed for supply tenders. Production units are empowered to develop and approve sources. If required, developmental order for 100% quantity can be placed through extensive developmental tenders to fast-pace the development process. Initiative of going for long-term contracting on the concept of cluster shall not only benefit vendors due to higher level of business assurance, economy of scale and better planning of resources by them, but also benefit railways through timely delivery at optimal cost. Third-party inspection for small value orders has been done away with, which shall expedite the material supply activity by the vendor. To reduce the supply chain cycle time for small purchase orders, field units are empowered by delegating full powers in respect of their tenders. To expedite the decision-making process across the supply chain, Indian Railways has taken multiple steps in the direction of Make in India initiative. Policies issued by Government of India on preference to Make in India and procurement of steel are implemented. Policies on preference to domestically manufacture electronic products and micro and small enterprises have been implemented. Policy on relaxation from condition of prior turnover and prior experience for startups has also been implemented. Make in India initiative is being monitored digitally by capturing data of domestic content in IREPS. To develop more indigenous sources and encouraging MSE sector, vendor meets were organized on pan-India basis at 12 prominent locations across the country last year, including one in Srinagar for the first time. The reforms and initiatives taken by the Indian Railways in its policies, processes and systems have resulted in paperless processes, enhanced ease of doing business, improved transparency and trust, reduced entry barriers, saving in time, cost and efforts, mitigation of grievances. This is a win-win situation for both industry and railways.